I'm filming now.
No, just don't run, man. Everyone, as everyone recorded it. Just stand perfectly still, yeah. Just stand perfectly still.
Okay.
Report away.
I wanna tap.
Spam report, fuck's sake, come on.
It doesn't happen, if it doesn't happen, just spam report.
It does.
Oh, I got kicked.
Okay, good.
See, I told you, fucking black homo. Is that fraps as well?
Yep.
Oh, you're frapsing, yeah?
Yeah, I'm frapsing. Whatever.
I'm a cool guy now. I said whatever.
Whatever, I'll do what I want. So it's a mushrooms.
You know, there's a mage joint.
Some fat ginger.
From my old server.
Smarketa. Oh shit, there's a whole group coming up.
Oh.
Using heroism here. Kill them.
Bring
them to you, man. Bring them to you. Just go defensive.
We're gonna go red.
Yeah, okay. Just blow them up, man. You're a boomkin. You can do whatever, man.
It's PvE script, so fair game.
Oh, you gotta bring this up. Max that fuck up.
Okay, bubble down.
You're down.
Traveler.
He got the flag, but he died.
Oh, get old. Smarketa.
Can I use double PvE tricks? So I
yeah, you can. It doesn't really matter if you're in an RPG. Sorry, an RPG. So yeah, you can do that. But you got two that's totally shit though.
The what?
I don't recall those very good in PvP. I don't know.
Which, the haste one? No. No, the haste one is really good for... the main stat for Druid is haste.
Right. You mean... Okay.
No.
And why the hell do you have a cataclysmic leg piece for fucking Boomkin?
Oh, I got it from the well. I got a cloak as well, but I don't have the money to enchant.
How much gold do you have?
Just... let me see how much. 700 right now, man. It's going really well.
You had fucking... what was it? 35k?
Yeah.
Jake, Kitty, you will have your gold very soon, okay?
Okay. What gold?
He bought landslide for me.
Why the hell would you buy landslide?
Because I asked him for it.
Fuck.
I always use landslide.
How much gold do you have, Nossi?
On this one I have 498.
Right, overall characters that you know about those.
I don't know.
That's a quick mission. You jump down. Just kill him. Up that hill. Right. Hexing, never mind, I can't hex. Where are you, Kitty?
Throw down.
I'm trying to keep him slowed as well. I roll up.
Okay, everyone is coming.
Rudy, my man. Kitty, you're dying. You need to yell that shit.
Okay, lay on hands and Kitty.
Give me hop.
I gave you lay on hands for God's sake.
Can't bump me on that. Sorry, man. Hey, Jenny, do you want to do some twos?
No.
I'll boost you.
No, thanks anyway.
The 1k.
No, thanks anyway.
1,100.
What? No, thanks anyway.
1.2. It's okay. She went AFK until you came back.
You got me?
Yeah. Sure as hell think I do. No man, you're just eating. Come in, Spirit Link.
Oh my god.
You guys are so bad. Nossi, what did you do?
I was about to give you a...
You're a fucking red, man.
Yeah,
How are you gonna triple this? You're gonna...
Yes.
You can't do 2.2k like this.
Yes.
How much macros do you have? You should have like 1,000.
I don't. Alright.
That has the most macros.
I know.
Bob 1 argument 2, 3, 4.
I know.
And then
I know.
Yeah, you
I know.
Bitch, man, why are you so mean?
Yeah.
That's just straight annoying, man.
Melly, I don't know how you can talk to people about racing because aren't you really shit yourself? Like, I'm higher than you, so you can hardly talk to people about
No, it's
racing.
like Melly and me, she's a piece.
To be fair, Melly,
Yeah, but
you can't talk shit. You can't talk shit to people when you're bad. I'm not boosted either. I got to. I played my character when I got to.
By the way, guys, this is being fraps, just so you know. So.
Oh no.
Oh shit. What does that mean, Melly? I'm sorry. I love you so much. I'm sorry.
I love it.
Don't call me that. Okay? I'm not going to be rubbing your belly if you call me that ever again. Okay, so guys, come on, yeah, we're going to try Blizz or what?
Not when I'm frapsing, for God's sake.
Yeah, just put it on the video, no problem.
No, oh my God, no, I'll just put music over this. No.
What up, man?
And when you run Blizzard yesterday, he was like Consuella, and he was like, is this
Oh my God, it was the best.
Yeah, man, dude. It's not the first time. It's not the first time, right? Prankcall,
I didn't know you, man.
Yeah.
Guys, can someone call Ryan, please?
You want to go get him? Alright. He's scary, whatever.
He's not gay.
No,
Guys, he's 2.9, yeah, you guys should worship him.
Nice.
It's better than you bitches.
Sorry, but I didn't say gay, man. I said that's scary, man.
Oh, right, okay, sorry.
You might not sleep.
So sorry.
Why? Fuck weed.
So bad.
Hey, Ryan, how's it
Hi.
going? By the way, just to piss off Jamie, tell him that you're in this call, but don't add him, okay? Because he really wants to join and troll us, but don't add him, because we're just not going to add him, okay?
Sure.
So, let him know you're here. No, don't add him. No, don't fucking add him. I told him that he's not allowed in, so no.
So we were boosting this paddle. We're boosting this paddle to 15 5. And basically I need like 4 rating for the achievement 2.2 because I haven't really been asked to go 5s. And then he just bitches out and leaves the team, and we lose the game because the 1.9 since we take some random trash paddy. He was like even more trash.
Oh, that sucks, man.
So we dropped him. So I need like, I don't know, 20 rating.
So you haven't got to K, right?
And not in 5s.
Okay.
In this chart, I just played it because it was bored.
Right, only boost roads.
No.
Boring. Can you fucking call Blizzard now?
Oh yeah, sure, whatever.
Hey, Kaipan,
What up?
be Consuela first time again. Just do it once more, because I love it.
I mean, what should I say then?
Just ask them if they need their offices cleaning.
Blizzard Entertainment. Your call may be monitored or recorded for quality.
That's fucking genius.
For English, please press 1 or stay on the line.
Whatever you say.
If you are calling to set your password, please go to www.battle.net/password. If you are calling about an account, subscription, or payment, please press 1. For technical support, please press 2.
I'll just go with 2.
We provide support articles on Minute Comics English online at www.blizzard.com/support. For that support, please press 1.
Thanks for calling Blizzard Entertainment. My name is Dylan. Can I have your first and last name, please?
Hello, can you hear me?
It's okay.
Okay, yes, good. My name is Consuella Anderson.
I'm sorry, what was your first name?
Consuella.
Could you spell that for me?
Yes. It is C O U N S E L L A. Yes, that is
Hey,
why.
what's your bad on that email address?
Oh yes, better. It is Consuella, yes, but just the same spelling as the number 4. And then it is underscore, yes. Is Brooks with 2 O, yes. Brooks.
Can you spell that for me?
BROOKS. Yes. Brooks. That's my guess, because... Oh, yeah.
Alright, well, what's going on today, Consuella?
Yes. I was calling because my company, yes, we sell housekeeping cleaners. You might need some housekeeping cleaning. We clean very low price, yes, very low price.
Okay, well, that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to help you fix your game or your account. Is there anything you need help with World of Warcraft?
Yes, I housekeep. What World of Warcraft?
Well, I don't need any housekeeping services, but I can help you with your World of Warcraft account. Is there anything like that I can help you with?
It's housekeeping very low price. But okay, my World of Warcraft seems to be bugging out sometimes.
Alright, well, anything else I can do for you?
Yes, my WoW just bugs out. I get a random experience.
Okay.
But are you sure that you don't need any housekeeping? Very.
I'm positive. But do you really need help with your WoW disconnection?
Yes, I see. My WoW is not really working well.